Welcome to Math World. So far we have learned a few algebraic methods to solve pair of linear equations. Here in this video I'm going to solve few word problems which are quite interesting, and of course as a point of view of examination they are very important. Let's go for the first problem. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Okay, so when such word problems are given, first thing is you should look at the last sentence. Okay, what is asked? Here they are asking for the time taken by one woman alone to finish the embroidery work and also that of man. Okay, so they are asking for the time in terms of days, right? Because here they have given the statement in terms of days, right? So now I have to assign the variables for time taken by one woman and by one man alone. Okay, so always you need to look at the last statement, and for that you have to assign a variable. So let the time taken by one woman is say X days. Okay, in terms of days only. And that of man, same thing, I'm not going to write. One man, say Y days. Okay. What is given? 2 women and 5 men can together finish embroidery work in 4 days. Right. Now suppose one man completes one work, okay, in X days, then one day she can complete 1 by X work, right? See, suppose I'm taking only one woman, okay, she can finish one work in X days. So that's what I have assumed, no? By one woman, one work she can finish in X days. Then this is one woman, one work in X days. In a single day, how much she can work? She can work 1 by X. Okay. So I can write in one day she completes 1 by X work, right? One work in X days. So in one day, 1 by X work. Hope you got this. Now similarly for one man, is doing one work in Y days, right? This is what the variable we have assigned. So in one day, how much work he can do? He can complete, or if you want, in one day, he completes 1 by Y work. Right. So this is all for one woman and one man. Now they have mentioned 2 women and 5 men. They can work and finish the embroidery work in 4 days. Right. So now see, this is one man, one woman. In one day she is completing 1 by X work. Now I have 2 women. They'll do the work 2 by X work in one day. Okay, this is for one woman. If there are two women, then 2 by x work. Okay, I'll write 2 women will do 2 by x work in single day, right? In one day. Now similarly 5 men, right? They'll do 5 by y work in one day, right? Now it is mentioned they together they can finish in 4 days. So I need to add up the works together since both are working, both women and men. So 2 by work is done by women and 5 by work is done by men, 5 men. So this is they are taking for a single day, right? Now together they are finishing in 4 days, right? 4 days. See, one day, one work. Now it is they are working for together. They are working and they are completing in 4 days. So what's the work done? It's 1 by 4. Okay, so this work done is 1 by 4 and this is the work done by women and this is the work done by men. So total work done is 1 by 4. So similar to this, I'm directly writing the second statement. While 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. 3 women, so 3 by x, then 6 men, so 6 by y, can finish in 3 days. So the work done is 1 by 3. Now, which method you are following to solve this? Yeah, you can observe the variables are on the denominator. So let us substitute 1 by x as p and 1 by y as q. It's left to you. You can use any variables a, b, p, q, t, u, t. It's left to you. See, so we are going to solve this by using equation reducible to pair of linear equations with 2 variables. Okay. I'll just substitute and I'll rewrite these 2 equations. 1 by x is p, so 2 into 1 by x, so I'm directly writing 2p. 5 into 1 by y, so it's 5q equal to 1 by 4. Then 3 into 1 by x can be written as 3p and 6 into 1 by y is 6q equal to 1 by 3. So these 2 are my equations now. We'll solve. I'll rewrite the first equation. It was 2p plus 5q equal to 1 by 4. I'm just taking 4 to I'm taking 4 to this left hand side and I'm multiplying by that. So 4 into 2p plus 5q equal to 1. And the second equation, 3 was on the denominator. I'm just taking it to left hand side. So 3 into 3p plus 6q, I guess. Yeah, 6q equal to 1. So I'm rewriting, it's 8p plus 20q equal to 1. And this is 9p plus 18q equal to 1. So you just solve these 2 equations, any of the method. By using any of the method, you can go by elimination method or cross multiplication method. It is left to you. I'll just solve and come. Yeah, I got these values for p and q. I have skipped the method here I have directly written the answer. You try by yourself and check with the answer. Okay. So P, I'm getting it as 1 by 18. What is P? P is 1 by X, right? So this is equal to 1 by 18. That implies X equal to 18. But it is in terms of days. Similarly, Q equal to 1 by Y, which is equal to 1 by 36. So Y equal to 36 days. Now you can cross check. Its X is 18 and Y is 36. Okay, just do the calculation. 2 by 18 plus 5 by 36. Check whether you are getting 1 by 4 or not. I'll just multiply by 2 into 2, so that it is 4 plus 5. Numerator is 9 and the denominator is 36. So 9 by 36, which is nothing but 1 by 4. Okay, we'll go for the second word problem. Second problem. Ramesh travels 760 km to his home, partially by train and partly by car. He takes 8 hours if he travels 160 km by train and the rest by car. He takes 12 minutes more if he travels 240 km by train and the rest by the car. Find the speed of the train and the car. So the first thing, when the word problem is given, you need to look at the last statement. What is asked? Here it is asked speed of the train and the car. So I have to assign a variable to speed of the train and that of car. Okay. What is speed? Speed is nothing but distance by time, that we know. Distance traveled by time. Right. So now have to assign the variable for speed of the train and the car. Okay. Let the speed of the car be x kilometer per hour and that of train be y kilometer per hour. Right, distance has got unit kilometer and time has got unit as hour. So speed of the car be x kilometer per hour and train be y kilometer per hour. Now see, he is traveling 760 kilometers. Say this from workplace to his house. Say total 760 kilometers. What is mentioned? He is partially using train and car, both he is using. So he takes 8 hours if he travels 160 kilometer by train and the rest by car. What he is doing is 160 kilometers, say 160 kilometers, he is using train to travel 160 kilometers. He is using train, and for the rest 600 kilometers he is using car. Okay, if we go by this way, he takes 8 hours. Okay, and the second, he takes 12 minutes more if he travels 240 kilometer by train. Say 240 kilometer by train, and the rest 520 kilometers 520 kilometers by car, then he takes 12 minutes more, right? 8 hours plus 12 minutes. Now the thing is, I have to calculate the speed of the car and the speed of the train. So I need to rewrite these two statements in terms of time. Okay, so that's what is mentioned here. They are saying when he takes 600 kilometers by car and when he goes extra 160 kilometers by train, then he is taking 8 hours. Okay, so I'm just rewriting. Speed is nothing but distance by time, so time is nothing but distance by speed. So time is nothing but distance by speed. So in terms of hours they are given, so I need to write what is the time taken by this way and what is the time taken by train. Okay, so here 600 kilometer is the distance and speed of the car is x, right? Speed of the car is x and speed of the train is y. Okay, takes 8 hours if he travels 160 kilometer by train. Right, no? Okay, 160 kilometers by train. So 160, it's a distance traveled by train. Speed of the train is y. Okay, and 600 kilometer is going by car, so speed of the car is x, and this is equal to how many hours he's taking 8 hours. Okay, now this is also in terms of time, this is also in terms of time, so together he needs 8 hours to reach the home. And the second statement, when he takes train, when he travels train by 240 kilometers and the rest by car, he is taking 12 minutes more, right? So first time taken when he travels by train is 240 by speed of the train, that is y, plus remaining 520 by car is taking 12 minutes more. So 8 plus 12 minutes, I'm writing in terms of hours, so 12 by 60. Okay, I have to rewrite this. I'll write this. So 480 plus 12, so that's 492 by 60, which will be equal to 30 of 5, 41. Yeah, so 41 by 5. I got two equations. I'll just rewrite them. It's in first x I'll write 600 by x plus 160 by y equal to 8, and the second equation 520 by x and 240 by y equal to 41 by 5. See, be careful. What happens is we have assigned here x and y. If you have assigned some other variable, then be careful while writing this. Okay, see, here I've taken speed of the train is y. Here they are mentioning it 160 kilometer by train, so 160 by y. Okay, have to be very careful when you are using the variables, otherwise you will get the reverse in reverse order, but you have mentioned it in the proper manner, so it won't match with the equations, so have to be very careful. Okay, now we will go for solving. It's reducible to equations of two variables, so I'll just rewrite them. Let 1 by x equal to, say, P and 1 by Y equal to Q. So that this will be 600P plus 160Q equal to 8, and 520P plus 240Q equal to 41 by 5. Now you have to solve them. Okay, I'm just directly writing the answer. You have to solve and check with my answer. Okay, so I'm getting P equal to 1 by 100 and Q equal to 1 by 80. In fact, P is nothing but 1 by X and Q is nothing but 1 by Y. So X equal to 100 and Y equal to 80. So you write speed of the car as 100 kilometer per hour and that of train is 80 kilometer per hour. Okay, we'll go for the next problem. Okay, the third problem, it's quite interesting. It says a boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of boat in still water. Okay? Yeah. So the last sentence, I need to calculate speed of the stream and the boat in still water. Okay. See, just before going for solving the problem, I'll just explain you what is downstream and upstream. Okay. So suppose this is the river. Okay, here is the boat. Okay, here is the boat now. Let me take say speed of the boat is X and that of water is Y. Now downstream means both are going in the same direction. Say water is going in this direction, and even the even the boat is going in the same direction. Okay, see, wind is coming from this side to this side, so the boat is also moving like this. Suppose both have got the same direction. Now it's a downstream. So when air is coming from this side to this side and even water is going by this way, so speed of the boat will be increased, right? So I see this plus this in case of downstream because both are moving in the same direction. When you take, say this, both are going in the same direction. Okay, downstream. Now when you take upstream, here is your boat. Okay, the speed of the boat is X, but the water is moving in this direction, right? So in that case, we are taking upstream. Speed of the boat must be more speed of the boat must be more compared to speed of the stream always. Okay, so when it is a downstream, we are just adding the speed of the water and the boat. When you take up to the upstream, there you are subtracting speed of the water by speed of the boat. When the air and the water is moving in the same direction, then boat will get the speed more, means you are just adding the speeds. That is in case of downstream. When they are moving in the reverse direction, so I need to subtract speed of the water, speed of the stream by speed of the boat. Okay, this is in case of upstream. So you need to calculate speed of the stream and that of boat. Okay, so let me assign the variables. Let the speed of the boat be x kilometer per hour and that of stream be y kilometer per hour. When it is a downstream, both are moving in the same direction, so speed must be added. It's x plus y. Okay. In upstream, the directions are different, so I need to subtract the speed of the stream by speed of the boat. Of course, boat should have more speed compared to speed of the stream. Otherwise, boat won't move, right? So, now what time is nothing but, we know it's distance by speed, right? So, same thing now I'm applying here. It is mentioned a boat goes 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. So equation must be written in terms of time, right? So time is nothing but distance by speed. So when it is asked the total time, it is 10 hours. It's nothing but time taken by boat in upstream and in downstream. That I need to add. So total time is equal to time taken in upstream or time taken in downstream plus time taken in upstream. Now, what is time taken in upstream and time taken in downstream? It's mentioned 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream. So downstream time taken is 44 kilometer, right? Divided by speed. They have mentioned the distance. Time is always nothing but distance by speed. So TD is nothing but distance by speed in downstream. Downstream it is it has moved 44 kilometers. So distance is 44 divided by speed. Okay, so here the speed is in terms of downstream. In case of downstream, speed is x plus y. Right, so it's x plus y. In upstream, speed is x minus y and the distance traveled is 30 kilometer. It is mentioned. Okay, so speed in downstream, time taken in downstream is nothing but distance by speed. In downstream, speeds must be added, okay, and distance traveled is 44 kilometer. To calculate time taken in upstream, speed must be subtracted, so x minus y, and distance traveled is 30 kilometer by the train. It is mentioned, right? Sorry, not train, I'm sorry, by boat. Okay, now in 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. So the second equation I need to write. So before that, first statement, it is taking 10 hours. It is mentioned. No? So total time is 10 hours equal to 44 by x plus y plus 30 by x minus y. Okay. Now the second statement, it is taking 13 hours. Okay. And it upstream 40 kilometers and downstream 55 kilometers. Downstream 55 kilometers and 40 kilometers in upstream. So it's x minus y. Okay, fine. Now, yeah, of course, I have to substitute 1 by x plus y as some variable and 1 by x minus y as another variable. Okay, you go by solving. I'll directly write the answer if you want. No, I'll do it. I'll do it. Say let p equal to 1 by x minus y and q equal to 1 by x plus y. Let me do this. So it will be 30p plus 44q equal to 10, and yeah, x minus y I have used as p. Okay. So 40p plus 55q equal to 13. Can solve by any method. I'll just multiply these two, multiply this equation with 4 and this equation with 3. So that's quite easy to solve. Yeah, just subtract two equations. Going to get 11q equal to 1 and q equal to 1 by 11. Then substitute the q value in any one of the equation. The first equation is 30p plus 44q, q equal to 10, right? So 30p plus 44q 1 by 11 equal to 10. 11 ones are 11 fours are. So 30p plus 4 equal to 10. 30p equal to 6 and p equal to 1 by 5. Right. Now what is p actually? P is nothing but 1 by x minus y, right? P is 1 by x minus y, which is equal to 1 by 5, and q equal to 1 by x plus y, which is equal to 1 by 11, right? Now go for solving them. X minus y equal to 5 and x plus 5 equal to 11. Simple, sorry, x plus y. Yeah, just add them. You are getting 2x equal to y will get cancelled. So 2x equal to 16, x equal to 8. X equal to 8, you substitute x minus y equal to 5. So x is 8. Let's take it to this side. 8 minus 5 equal to y. So that y equal to 3 and x equal to 8. But what is x and y? Speed of the boat is x kilometers. So it's 8 kilometer per hour, and speed of the stream is 3 kilometer per hour. You can cross check. Okay, you write once you get this, no, just write the speed of the boat is x, no, so it's 8, I'm sorry, 8 kilometer per hour and speed of the stream is 3 kilometer per hour. You can cross check here only. Speed of the boat must be more than the speed of the stream. And yeah, you can cross check. Okay. First equation you are getting this, right? 44x plus y plus 30x minus y equal to 10. You can cross check. You got x equal to 8 and y equal to 3, right? Just substitute in this part. 44 by x plus y, so 8 plus 3, it's 11, plus 30 by x minus y, 8 minus 3, it's 5, so it's 4 and 6 times, so 6 plus 4 equal to 10, which is same as this. So your answer is correct. Thank you.